Hi guys, and welcome back to another video, and this is a new challenge. I barely did one and I won. So this is my deck. You can build your deck in here. So I built this one. I didn't choose any of these, so I didn't choose the random one. So I chose my own, and I pretty much won. And it's pretty good. So maybe I will lose this time, but I said this is good, so maybe it's good. Let's try a battle. So let me try to finish it. Maybe today I will try to finish. So my last video about the Roblox, I was just doing it, but you know, when you finish the website, so later I'll make those. So okay. So that would be. So this is my deck, as you can see. Okay. So let me just fight. Okay. I'm gonna put the volume down a little. Okay. This is right. Okay, let me put the zap right there. Yep, that's pretty good. Oh no. That's pretty bad. That's pretty bad. That's pretty bad. That's pretty bad, guys. That's pretty bad. That's pretty bad. Okay, I can't do nothing. Oh my god. No, I can't do nothing. I can't do nothing, guys. I can't do nothing. Okay, I couldn't even do anything, guys. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna lose, guys. Hit the like button right now so I can win. Maybe that'll help me out. So maybe hit the like button right now. So I know this is not live. So what should I do now? Just do the fireball. Yeah, that's good. Okay, you put the night witch. A lot of people use night witch, like copy or something. Oh my god. You know, guys, this kind of getting mean about the pickle, so put this. No. So pretty much I think I'm gonna lose so badly. So I'm really sorry, guys. I'm not really good at this game. So maybe chicken. Maybe someone to game. Oh, shout out to what's the game? Okay. This is kind of oh my god. I forgot who that YouTuber was. I subscribed to him, but I forgot what he does. So. Can't even remember. Looks like I'm pretty much not gonna leave. Sorry, guys. I know this is being so badly. No, let me put this there. That'd be cool. So let me try another battle. I'm gonna suck at this. Ooh. Still searching. And oh yeah, guys, I forgot. Oh no, I pressed cancel and it's still there. Oh my god, I'm kind of sick right now. Yeah. No, okay, you can do it. So I didn't make sure we were gonna die so badly. Yeah, so how did he take out life from my... Okay, I didn't saw anything, guys, so... I think he threw something before, maybe. You don't know how to kill it. So my deck is like, getting cost a lot, so maybe I can do it more fast. Yes, yeah. Another one. And another one. And that's it. Yeah, that'll be good. Yeah, that's really good. Protect me. Protect my witch. And it looks like it. Oh, God. Okay. Okay. No, guys, no, no. What happened? What happened? What happened? Dude. So guys, that's the end of the video. This is so dumb. Guys, I'm really sorry. So you already saw my battles. So see you later, guys. I'm really sorry.